Okay, everybody, so you're going to be working on the Scratch scavenger hunt thing that you were supposed to be working on last time. Some of us seem to be a bit confused as to what they were doing, so I'm going to show all that and how to properly do it. Um, as you can see, I've already done number 1 and number 4 on this page. So number 1, a project about a dog. This was probably about the easiest one I could possibly come up with. You just search for a project about a dog on Scratch, and you screenshot it, and you put it in there. Okay, and it's going to be perfect. As you can see, that is a completely necessary project, and it works perfectly fine. Number 2 and number 3 are going to be found on pages similar to this. Number 2, you should probably look in the instructions to see if it tells you how to move. Number 3 will be seen on every single project. For number 4 through 10, you need to actually click that See Inside button that you find for number 3. Once you do that, you're going to get taken to a page that looks kind of like this, where you have all of these different blocks. These blocks represent the code, and they're basically the logic of the game as it goes. So number 4, you're going to find a When Green Flag Clicked block, and that looks like this. So you'll screen cap a portion of the screen that shows that block and put it into the document like that. All of the rest of these live on these pages. You might need to look at different projects, but all of these 5 through 10 are going to be found on the inside of the project. Weight is a control block, so you can see what that looks like over on the left. Okay, you can look at the controls, motions, sounds, and then find those over here in the actual project. For number 9 and 10, your hint is that sprites live in the bottom right and costumes live at the top left. So those should help you find those two things. I am going to show this document to whoever's in charge so they know whether you're doing what you're supposed to or you're not. So far, it seems that only 2 people have completed it fully, and even those 2 people might want to take a look back and see if they can do things better. Make sure it's turned in by the end of the period, and we will continue on with this sort of thing and actually working with Scratch on Thursday.